stylish males, glamorous divas, and a truly star-studded evening. Well, ये रेड कार्पेट शाम थी मुंबई's most stylish awards के नाम, जहां all the stylish B-towners came dressed in some of their most stylish, glamorous and daring attires. तो चलिए सबसे पहले आपको दिखाते हैं a quick roundup of what these stars had to say about their own styles.
I am wearing Elisa. It was so simple. I thought I should do something funky, and I thought I'd use an Indian designer. This is Nitya.
I am wearing Kunal Rawal, which is what I always wear, because he doesn't allow me to wear anything else because he thinks I have terrible taste in fashion.
Tonight I am wearing Purnia Qureshi. I'm wearing Gaurav Gupta. I'm wearing Farah Khan's jewelry. Thea Dekchandani has styled me. I'm very much in the Sabyasachi.
Secondly, who they named as their style icons.
I like the way Amarji dresses.
Style icon is someone who can wear jeans or track pants and still look stylish.
For every son, his father is a style icon. So I would always consider my father a style icon.
I think Deepika Padukone is very stylish and very beautifully dressed.
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Maharani Gayatri Devi, there's Amrita Shergill, there's Shabana Azmi, there's Rekha Ji. There's very many women, I think, who you can look up to as style icons.
Anyone who celebrates their individuality.
My wife is my style icon. I trust her judgment and I follow whatever she says.
Thirdly, what they spoke about their Valentine's Day plans.
I'm working. I'm going to be in this place called Malshet, which is extremely romantic and nice.
Remember, you are on a date with me because I'm going to give you a lot of love and you give it back to me by buying tickets for Murder 3 on the 15th of February.
All the viewers have a very happy, romantic Valentine's Day. To all of you that believe in love, happy Valentine's Day.
And lastly, the upcoming annual budget par in B-towners की expectations.
Most importantly, I hope the fuel prices go down.
Yeah, reduce the taxes, and if that can't happen, then at least give us better facilities in terms of infrastructure.
I just hope we get better infrastructure, better roads. I think the city traffic is getting out of hand, and you waste 2 to 3 hours just traveling. And there's no point of having a big car or a small car or an expensive car or a cheap car because your car is traveling at the speed of a cycle. So I hope something happens in that area.
जी हाँ, शिल्पा शेट्टी और शाहिद कपूर ने जहाँ बजट को लेकर अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस शेयर की, वहीं सोनम ने साफ-साफ ये कह दिया.
I don't have any expectations from the Indian government at all.
Anyway, coming back to their styles, सबसे पहले बात करते हैं सबके फेवरेट स्टाइल आइकॉन अमिताभ बच्चन की. Dressed in a formal black suit, अमित जी यहाँ पहुँचे थे अपने बेटे अभिषेक के साथ, जो कि शायद अपने स्टाइलिश पापा की प्रेजेंस में थोड़े अनकंफर्टेबल हो गए.
क्या बताएं, ये तो जो लोग दे रहे हैं उनसे पता करना चाहिए. हम तो यहाँ पुरस्कार लेने आ गए हैं.
हालांकि बाद में कैमरा के सामने आकर अभिषेक ने अपने स्टाइलिश जैकेट का डिस्क्रिप्शन दे ही दिया.
I'm wearing a Tom Ford jacket. All right.
और साथ ही अपने पापा को बता दिया अपना स्टाइल आइकॉन.
मेरे जो स्टाइल आइकॉन थे वो भी यहाँ से निकल गए हैं, तो मैं शायद उनके पीछे भागना चाहूंगा, लेकिन yeah, I think that for sure.
Moving on, अमित जी के बाद सोनम कपूर too was picked up by a lot of celebs this night as Bollywood style icon.
Sonam Kapoor for sure. She is definitely the most stylish actress that we have.
She has a lot of fun. And I think clothes and fashion is about having fun sometimes.
लेकिन सोनम ने किसे बताया स्टाइल आइकॉन, ये भी सुनिए.
I like the way Shahid dresses. I like the way Shahid dresses.
Yes, शाहिद कपूर. पर जब शाहिद से इसके बारे में पूछा गया तो उन्होंने रिवील कर दिया इसके पीछे का सीक्रेट.
मैं हमेशा कुणाल रावल को पहनता हूँ और मैं रोज घर से निकलने से पहले कुणाल रावल की प्रेयर्स करता हूँ और कुणाल रावल ही मेरे करता धरता है.
You know who does think you're stylish? Sonam Kapoor. She said you're a style icon.
That's because she is the one who introduced me to Kunal Rawal. So now she thinks that I'm stylish.
वैसे टॉकिंग अबाउट वैलेंटाइंस डे, हमें सबसे रोमांटिक रिएक्शन लगा द न्यूली वेड विद्या बालन कपूर का, जिन्होंने अपने हबी सिद्धार्थ की स्टाइल के बारे में पूछे जाने पर पहले तो ये कह दिया.
What do I have to say about his personal style? I just like everything about him.
और फिर शादी के बाद अपने पहले वैलेंटाइंस डे के प्लान्स पूछे जाने पर विद्या ने कर दी सिद्ध से ये सटल डिमांड.
I actually think he's going to be traveling. I don't think there's going to be a Valentine's Day celebration, but I'm happy to receive surprises if he's listening, if he's watching TV anywhere. but here's wishing everyone luck every moment of their lives.
All in all, Mumbai's Most Stylish Awards के इस रेड कार्पेट पर स्टाइल के साथ साथ इन स्टार्स का रोमांटिक साइड भी सामने आ गया। सुरुचि महातपुर करकोरे, जिंग, मुंबई।